We are told that 50 cm cube of hydrogen is packed with 50 cm cube of oxygen at a temperature of 110 degrees Celsius. And then we have to calculate the volume of the residual gases at this temperature. So we are given the volume of hydrogen and the volume of oxygen. The first thing, this is a stoichiometric calculation, and all stoichiometric calculations must have their equation written and balanced. So the first thing is we have to write the equation and balance it. If that is not done, there's no need proceeding. Now we are told that hydrogen reacts with oxygen. This would form water as expected. Balancing the equation, we have 2 here and then 2 here, so that the hydrogen becomes 4 on either side and the oxygen is 2 on either side. Now what are the volumes provided for each of them? For hydrogen we are given 50 cm cube, for oxygen 50 cm cube. Now what is the volume that will react? We have to find the volume that will react for each of them. It's just like you given an amount of money to go and spend on an article. Will you spend all the money? We have to look at the equation. What is this equation telling us? The equation is telling us that the volume of hydrogen that will react must be twice that of oxygen. This is 2 to 1. 2 to 1 means the volume of hydrogen that will react must double that of oxygen. So this 50 given here, will they all be used up? The answer here is that 50 cm cube of hydrogen will only react with 25 cm cube of oxygen. From this 50 cm cube of oxygen provided, only 25 of it will react. By the time 25 of it has reacted, the whole 50 of hydrogen given would have reacted. So when 25 cm cube of oxygen is left, the volume of hydrogen remaining is 0. All of it has been used up. There will be no more hydrogen to react with this 25 cm cube of oxygen left. Okay, so volume left for each of them, hydrogen is 0. Hydrogen is limited in supply. The 50 of hydrogen provided is not enough to burn the whole 50 of oxygen. So when this 50 of hydrogen had reacted, only 25 of oxygen would have reacted according to this equation. The hydrogen must be twice that of oxygen. So now we need to find the volume of water that we formed. The question is at 110 degrees Celsius. At 110 degrees Celsius, we will expect this to be a gas. So what will be the volume of water that will be formed? The volume of steam that will form there will be the same as the volume of hydrogen reacting. 2 moles of this produce the same 2 moles of steam. So the volumes then will be the same. So the volume of water formed is going to be 50 cm cube. So volume of residual gases, that will be equal to 25 plus 50. When I say residual gases, this is a leftover, a residue. This is also a leftover, a residue. That is why we are adding the volumes together. So the volume of residual gases is equal to 75 cm cube. And that is the solution to the question. Our answer is option A. Thanks for viewing. For more exciting videos, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.